Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the BMW iX bonnet. Unlike conventional cars, the iX doesn't have a large, traditional bonnet that opens for engine access. Instead, it features a smaller service flap designed for specific maintenance tasks. This design choice reflects the electric vehicle's unique architecture. We'll guide you through locating and opening this flap safely and efficiently. To begin, stand at the front of your BMW iX. You'll notice a small, rectangular panel situated directly above the iconic BMW emblem. This is your service flap. Carefully insert a flat, non-marring tool, like a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in cloth, into the small gap at the bottom edge. Gently pry upwards to release the clips and open the flap. Once the service flap is open, you'll find access to a few key maintenance points. Primarily, this area houses the windshield washer fluid reservoir, making refills straightforward. You'll also find the 12-volt battery, which may need replacement eventually. Remember, this flap does not provide access to the electric drivetrain or other major engine components, as those are sealed units. It's crucial to understand that the larger front panel of the BMW iX is not designed to be opened by the user. It's sealed for safety and to protect the high-voltage components. Any issues beyond simple fluid checks should be handled by a certified BMW service technician. Attempting to force it open could cause damage or pose a safety risk. Also, for more great content and deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.